Maurice here back for another Power Pack training. Today I'm going to give you guys the blueprint to getting your first 5 social media marketing clients, or the activity necessary to get your first 5, or if you want to generate $5,000 to $10,000 a month. You have to put forth a certain amount of activity, okay? So you're going to want to watch this video all the way through. Grab a pen and a piece of paper. I'm going to show you guys everything you need to start making money. Perhaps you've been watching cold call videos and you've been in SMMA a long time and you still don't have clients, okay? And the biggest reason, the biggest problem in the marketplace is lack of activity. Lack of activity, procrastination, laziness, not doing the thing to build your skills. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, if you want to make it in SMMA, you got to get dirty. You got to get dirty, okay? You got to get beat up, okay? There's no such thing as a free lunch. You have to put forth the effort, okay? If you guys don't put forth the effort, okay, you can't get a result, all right? If you don't go to work, you don't get a check. They just don't send you a check because you're beautiful or because, you know, you show up to the job. You got to work. You got to get the shovel. You got to get the computer, whatever the person is paying you for, and go to work if you want to get a check. And it's the same thing in SMMA. Okay, if you want clients, you have to prospect, okay? So let's kind of go over the numbers a little bit. I want you guys to really focus in on this. Activity equals clients, okay? Activity equals clients, okay? And this is just the calendar, ladies and gentlemen. It says Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, okay? If you don't have a calendar set up, ladies and gentlemen, you're setting yourself up for massive failure, okay? If I asked you, how many calls did you make this week? How many calls did you make today? Like most people, you'll probably say a big fat 0, Maurice. And if you got a big fat 0, that means you got 0 clients. You don't have any activity. Activity will equal clients, okay? Why is it that I was able to go from 0 to making 6 figures literally in less than 1 year in SMMA? Activity, commitment. A lot of you guys are committed. You're committed to watching Netflix. You're committed to blowing your time. You're not committed to getting clients. Perhaps you're just committed to watching YouTube videos, okay? How do I know how committed you are? I'll check your calendar and I'll check your checkbook, okay? Those are the 2 places, okay? I'm gonna find out what you're doing wrong. If we were to do coaching, one-on-one coaching, the first thing I wanna know is, let me see your calendar. And if you don't have one, I already know you're not prospering. You're not doing, good in SMMA, because your calendar is going to dictate your activities. So the first thing I want you guys to do is go and type in Google Calendar and get your free Google Calendar, all right? So that you guys can keep track of your activity and what you're doing every day to build your agency, okay? If you're going to build an agency, that means you have to take daily action. Success is a progressive realization of a worthy ideal. You don't make money when you're successful. You make money when you start to do the activities, okay? Most people want fire, but they don't want to put any wood in the fireplace. They say, give me heat, then I'll give you wood. That's not how it works, ladies and gentlemen. You have to give the fireplace wood, then it'll give you heat. And if you want SMMA clients, you got to pick that phone up, okay? You got to pick this phone up, ladies and gentlemen, and you have to go to work, okay? You got to pick this phone up, folks, and then you'll get clients, okay? Phone, clients, phone, clients, phone, clients, phone, clients. That's what you have to do, ladies and gentlemen. And a lot of you guys won't pick this phone up, and therefore you don't have any clients, okay? And I've showed you guys how to get clients, okay? And if you guys want to know my 4-step process that I use to build a 6-figure agency, click the link in the description and you guys can sign up for the Social Media Prospecting Pro course, or you guys can hire me as a coach if you want to go to the next level. Now, that's not if you're not willing to put in a big time and a financial commitment. Don't sign up for coaching. It's for serious people, okay, that's willing to burn the boats, okay? So anyway, this is what you guys have to do if you want to be successful. So let me give you guys some numbers, okay? If you want to make $5,000 a month, or you want to get your first 5 clients, because technically, ladies and gentlemen, all you need is 5 clients, okay? Literally. 5 clients will equal about, you know, anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000, depending on how much you're charging. But let's just say you're charging $1,000 a month, okay? So all you need, ladies and gentlemen, is 5 clients. It equals $5,000 a month. All right. So let's say if I wanted to make $5,000 a month, okay, let me give you guys the blueprint. Let's say I wanted to make $5,000 a month in the next 30 to 60 days, okay? And I'm going to set my calendar up to work Monday through Saturday, okay? Because I want to get this done in 30 days, okay? If I wanted to get this done in 30 days, ladies and gentlemen, this is what I would do, okay? I would set 2 to 3 appointments a day, okay? So 2 to 3 appointments. That means that I would, right now, being that you're probably watching this video during the shutdown, the COVID-19, the coronavirus, and if you are, we can't go out technically and really be doing certain types of businesses. So in other words, we can't really do face-to-face appointments. But if, like I said, we weren't under the coronavirus shutdown, then I would do face-to-face appointments, okay? Or Zoom. You can do Zoom too. But being that we are under the shutdown right now, most of you guys are watching it during that time, then you just want to set up a Zoom or a phone follow-up, okay? You want to send them some information, okay? I send out a 30-minute presentation, all right? And I basically, in that presentation, explain who I am, what I do, how I can get them results, a few customer testimonials, just a PowerPoint presentation, simple. Any of you guys can create a PowerPoint presentation showing business owners why they need to be doing social media marketing. It's simple, okay? If you guys want to model mine, click the link in the description. You sign up for the Social Media Prospecting Pro course. You guys can model my presentation, okay? Or you can create a simple PDF, okay? Go online, the 10 benefits of social media marketing, okay? Why businesses need to be marketing, doing digital marketing or social media marketing. You guys can find that, or you can hire somebody to do research to create a simple PDF that you can email the business owner. You want to email them some information, okay? Actually, the email that I send is actually like a decoy. I know that most business owners aren't going to watch it. In fact, when you guys are sending presentations and stuff off, you guys are getting mad because business owners aren't watching your stuff. They're really not supposed to watch it. All I want to do is follow up multiple times, okay? And if the business owner doesn't watch it, then on that third follow-up, if he hasn't, I'm going to say, you got about 15, 20 minutes, and let me just explain to you a little bit of how it works, okay? And I'm just going to explain a little bit how it works, and then I have a 10 questions that I ask the business owner, okay? Now, I include that in the Social Media Prospecting Pro course, but they're like 10 closing questions. And I just ask these questions. The only way you're going to get somebody to know, like, and trust you is by asking questions and know. When I follow up multiple times, they get to know me. They start to say my name. Hey, Maurice, how's it going? I didn't have time to watch. And I'm like, yes. Same thing. Hey, Maurice, I didn't have. Yes. They're starting to know me. And then they like me because I'm persistent. And then they trust me is when I ask the question. So I'm not really interested in them watching it. Now, if they do watch it, they're going to get some value. They're going to really want to work with me. But either way it goes, I win. And it's the same thing for you. Either way it goes, you're still going to win if you follow the system. You want to continue to follow up with them, okay? So going back to what you need to do is you want to set up 2 to 3 appointments a day, okay? That means you're sending them some information and you're saying, okay, so say I make calls on Monday. I'm going to say I'm going to follow up either Tuesday or Wednesday. John, can I follow up with you on Tuesday or Wednesday? He's going to say yes. Okay, every time I do that, 2 to 3 times a day, That's going to give me appointments. So that's what you want. You want to get a business owner to commit to you. You don't want to just send an email and say, hey, that's an appointment. No, you have to set the follow-up. So you'll say, hey, I'm Peter, such and such. You know, you go through my scripts. If you don't have my scripts and rebuttals, click the link in the description and get the course, okay? But you want to set 2 to 3 appointments a day. And you guys already know what an appointment is when they agree to a follow-up, okay? That's an appointment, all right? Not just when you just send an email, okay? So you want to set 2 to 3 appointments Monday through Friday, okay? So you do that Monday through Saturday. That's what I would be doing, okay? So that's going to give me, let's just say on the low end, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. That's going to give me 12 appointments, okay, a week. All right, if I set 12 appointments a week, ladies and gentlemen, matter of fact, let me just use your numbers, okay? If you're brand new, okay, and you can set 12 appointments a week, that's going to give us 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, because there's 4 weeks in a month, so it's going to give us 2, 4, 6, 8. So that's going to give us 48 appointments a month. If you set 48 appointments a month, ladies and gentlemen, you're going to easily, okay, as a new person, you should be able to sign up minimum. Because I'm not even going to use a free trial, but if a person just came in and paid you $1,000 on 48%, I'm going to say you're going to be right around 2 to 3 as a new person, okay? Because business owners have to market. They'll go 2 to 3 appointments. They'll go $2,000 to $3,000 in income for setting 2 to 3 appointments a week, okay? 2 to 3 appointments a day, Monday through Saturday, 12 a week, okay? Because see, success is a number game, okay? Numbers don't lie, people do. Numbers don't lie, people do, all right? Plain and simple. Numbers do not lie, okay? Success is all about numbers, okay? When you know your numbers, you can be successful, okay? So what you guys need to do, okay, is you need to pick that phone up and start booking these appointments. All right. If you want to make anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000 a month, all you got to do is pick this phone up. Don't be afraid. OK. And if you're afraid, you're fearful, got anxiety, say, Maurice, I just can't do it. I'm afraid. You know, I have anxiety problems, or, you know, I just don't want to be hung up on. You need help. Okay, so what I want you to do is click the link in the description, sign up for the Social Media Prospecting Pro course. I give you everything. I help you to get rid of procrastination, laziness, just not doing the thing, you know, not believing in yourself. That's another thing I deal with in the course, is help you to get over, you know, the thing about not believing in yourself. A lot of you guys just don't believe in yourself, and you got to believe if you want to achieve, okay? And if you need coaching, you can also click the link in the description, and we can possibly do some one-on-one coaching, okay? So ladies and gentlemen, take action, all right? That's what's going to get you the success. I know a lot of you guys are looking at the gurus, market courses, and all type of stuff. You're looking for that magic bullet. There is no magic bullet. Here's the magic bullet right here. Activity. Activity. That's the magic bullet. No activity, no clients. No clients, no money. So the reason why most of you guys are broke is because you have no activity. All right? So get a calendar, get the course if you need help, pick up the phone, and go to work. 2 to 3 appointments a day. My name is Maurice Gear. I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you guys subscribe if you're not a subscriber to this channel. I do this all the time. Give me a big thumbs up if you like this video. Helps with the algorithm, helps more people to see it. Make sure you comment below. Let me know what you guys liked about this video. You know what I mean? Because without activity, you can't do nothing. If I didn't make this video, then how am I help you guys? I can't telepathically do it. You can't telepathically get a client. You have to put in the work. And you won't get good at cold calling, ladies and gentlemen, unless you go and pick that phone up and do the thing. Okay? You have to do it. That's how you get good. You don't get good by watching YouTube videos and watching a course. You got to pick the phone up and get beat up. My name is Maurice Gear. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.